Welcome to JK Gears and Machinery. JK Gears is ISO 9001-2008 registered certified company. Based in Mumbai, India, since 1994. If you are looking for any used imported machine, get in touch with us.
In this video you will see Plano Miller with 3 milling heads, which is available for sale. The machine details are: make, port, model, FBC 90, type of machine, Plano Miller with 3 milling heads, ISO 50 taper and a spindle. The spindle table size is 3000 by 1200 millimeters, longitudinal travel 3500 millimeters, maximum workpiece height 10,000 millimeters, maximum width of workpiece 1000.
Thank you for watching our video. You can visit our website www.jkgears.com.